All right, this is a 3D printed adapter that allows you to have a laser pointer on your Nikon DSLR. Won't work with mirrorless, but it'll work with DSLRs. It works with this particular pointer. Link is in the description. The file is also parametric, so you could use it with other pointers. You put the pointer in. The pointer has a bunch of lenses. The black one is the laser one. And I want the black one right in the center of the hole. And I'm going to tape this together. You could glue it. Whatever is your fancy. Also, this comes with a number of options. Like it has smiley faces and stars and whatever. I'm just going to put it back to the pointer. That's what I want. And I'm going to make sure it stays on center. All right, what this does is you can take off the eyepiece of your DSLR camera and put this over the eyepiece. And then when you turn the laser on, it gives you some idea where the laser's focused, if you're in focus or not. Dots real tiny, perfect focus, far focus. This is really useful for microscope adapters and other super hard to use lenses where you could bring the object into the field of focus. Anyway, that's what it does. Adam Walls originally had this idea. He had one out of aluminum, and I made a 3D printed one for you. So thank you. Links are in the description.